So once I hit the publish, it's just basically going to go through the whole step again of reprocessing and then live. Okay, so after you change the price, that should do the trick. All right, guys, so in this video, we're going to fix out the timed out status error, right? If you're uploading a design, then it gets stuck, or it looks like it's processing, then all of a sudden it gets timed out. Boom! We're going to fix that in this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you're getting value out of it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Let's get into the content. So I've been doing some uploads and I'm coming across the status timed out right here, as you can see. Simple fix, real easy to do. I know a lot of people have been asking about it in the Facebook group. I'm getting a lot of people putting posts in there about it. If you guys are unaware of the Facebook group, I do have one. It'll be down below in the description. I'll put it down below. Make sure you fill out all the information if you want to join. If you don't fill out all the information, you'll get declined. Okay, it's a simple fix, real easy. I'm just gonna come over here to edit, okay? And I'm gonna blur out the design and all that stuff and the whole listing because you know this is one of my niches. I don't want you guys up in one of my niches, you know. So I'm gonna come over here to .com. You can either just change it by a penny, or in this one I'm gonna just change it to 97. You can change it by a penny, whatever the heck it is, whatever your pricing strategy is, whatever you're doing, you can just change it to whatever it is, but just change it a little bit by a penny or 2 pennies and just republish it, right? Or you can even just do it without even changing the price, but just to be safe, like there's a few of the designs that I've been messing with, I'm just changing the price by a little bit and just re-uploading it. Okay, and then that should basically do the trick. So once I hit the publish, it's just basically going to go through the whole step again of reprocessing and then live. Okay, so after you change the price, that should do the trick. And let's go ahead and press publish. Boom, boom, boom. We'll be back. All right, as you can see, it's under review again right here. Okay, as you can see, it's under review. And then when it goes into processing, I'll show that. All right, so now it's processing, right? Woohoo! It looks like it's working. All right, so I'm gonna blur this out, like I said, but it's live. Okay, it worked. If you come over here to your product, come over here, click on it. It will take you, to the product live. So it worked. There's some of them that are still processing, but it worked. All right, so that should help right there. Just go and edit, change the price, maybe change a few things in the listing. I don't know, whatever the heck you want to do, but change the price by a penny, 2 cents, whatever price point you're putting it at, change it, and that should fix that timed out error. And most importantly, check out my other videos up here.